As a result of yajna, may we be blessed with leadership, perception, and property protection ability. May we be blessed with patience, all cosmic opulence, and great strength. May our knowledge and scientific abilities grow winds of agriculture and abilities to retreat from worldly obstacles be attained. Yajurveda Samhita Part 3. Book title Yajurved Samhita Bhag 3. Yajurveda Samhita Part 3. Book Introduction. The Vedas are the most ancient sacred texts. They are regarded as apaurushya, which means not created by man. They were revealed to rishis, sages, the enlightened men and women of great wisdom, during their deep meditation and in the state of highest consciousness. The rishis rendered the sacred messages into Ved mantras, a chant from the Vedas. Vedas are also known as Smritis, which means something that was heard. The rishis had listened to the sacred messages through their divinely intuitive subtle ears. Moreover, the divine knowledge of the Veda was handed down verbally for ages. The Vedas are the eternal treasure of sacred knowledge. They consist of invocations to the one and only one divine manifesting as various divine forces such as Agni, fire, Indra, god of weather, Savita, brightness, Surya, the sun, Vayu, air, Varun, rain, Usha, heat, and many others. They have prayers for yajna, fire worship, and other rites, well-being, health, longevity, enlightenment, divine guidance, prosperity, concord, matrimony, cultured progeny, and more. The Vedas also speak about various aspects of the divine, the cosmic law, dharma, life, character, conduct, morality, society, peaceful and harmonious coexistence, environment, and so on. There are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Sam Veda, and Atharva Veda. Among them, Yajurveda Samhita contains mantras related to yajna, which involves a fire ceremony in layman's terms. However, yajna is not limited only to fire ceremony rituals but, in a broader context, implies Dev Puja or adoring, developing and expressing divine qualities, working collectively for doing good, and contributing time, effort, and resources for the good of humanity. Few excerpts from the book. Through this yajna, we get food wealth, opulence, virility, elegance, management ability, decision making ability of intellect, duty power, voice, fame, hearing ability, a wealth of knowledge, effulgence, and self power. May all pleasures, loving things, favorable substances, indulgences, good mind, opulence, wealth, credit, welfare, home happiness, fame, etc. achieve continuous growth. Bright like fire, inspirer of new voices, who is not defeated by enemies, who roasts the wicked and has a gentle nature, who are our ancestors. May He give us wisdom. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, is the Lord of all beings, subject to whom all people get nourishment, and who, being great, is the one to subdue all the material things. O housekeeper, we accept your strength. Prana, which consumes the sap from the body, is like a swan, separating the essence of milk from the water and drinking it. This is what leads to the attainment of truth.